A great pair of binoculars expands your horizons, bringing faraway birds, plants, and landscapes into view. To find the best binoculars, we had a professional ornithologist spend nearly 200 hours field testing 25 pairs against his own $2,500 Leica Ultravids, after using our test pairs in the mountains and hills of Southern California, and then on research trips to the rainforests of southern Mexico and Costa Rica. He found that the Athlon Optics Midas ED 8x42 pair was the best of the group. In this video, we're looking at the 4 best binoculars for birdwatching in 2025, and if you want more information, we also put the links in the description box below. Number 1. Athlon Optics Midas. The binoculars I use day to day as a professional ornithologist are the Leica Ultravid 8x42 model, which I purchased for around $2,500. Yet when I looked through the Athlon Optics Midas ED pair, I could not tell much difference between them and my Leicas, which cost around 10 times as much. What makes the Athlon Midas ED binoculars great? For starters, their brightness. A lot of birding and using binoculars in general involves looking out or up at something much brighter, like the sky, or darker, such as into a dense thicket. Just as your autofocus camera can't figure out how to illuminate something against a bright, or overcast, sky, binoculars may have difficulty mustering the light needed to brighten the distant object you're trying to identify. Also tough is the inverse of this situation, looking into dark, dense vegetation, a situation in which you need all the light-gathering ability the binoculars can give you. The Athlon Midas ED performed well on both fronts. For example, several other models tested would not allow me to differentiate the throat coloration of warblers in treetops early in the morning. With the Athlon set, it was almost as if the glaring, whitish background of the sky wasn't there, the colors popped to life. Number 2. Celestron Trailseeker ED Binoculars. Like the Athlon Optics Midas pair, the Celestron Trailseeker ED binoculars are optically sharp, well-constructed, and easy to focus quickly on the trail. The primary difference in these two sets of binoculars, apart from the Trailseeker's higher price, is that the Trailseeker is sized slightly down from the Midas, so if you prefer a smaller grip, this is the pair for you. In its optics, the Celestron Trailseeker offers a view remarkably similar to that of the Athlons. Both binoculars have crystal-clear optics that stay sharp right up to the edges of the field of view. Both also offer excellent views at close range and far range. The Athlon Midas and the Celestron Trailseeker can focus down to 6.5 feet, so they're ideal for checking out butterflies, plants, and other things on the ground that you might want to approach but not touch. For farther off objects, the Athlons and the Celestrons also offer identically wide fields of view of 426 feet at 1,000 yards, which means they're great for locating fast-moving birds in dense foliage or for scanning the sky for raptors. Number 3. Vortex Optics Diamondback. The Vortex Diamondback HD 8x42 provides great optical clarity and impressive brightness, approaching the level of performance typical of premium binoculars. Combined with a great close focus range and exceptional field of view, most amateur and intermediate users alike will be highly satisfied with these bins, especially at a price. In our brightness tests, the Diamondback HD 8x42 recorded a high lux reading, matching top-scoring models. We confirmed this on dawn and dusk hikes, where its brightness made the difference between spotting a rare species and missing it in shadow. Vortex offers a wide range of binoculars from luxury to budget options. The Diamondback series is affordable yet delivers solid performance, making it ideal for beginner birders or adventurers who want a wide field of view and enhanced brightness. While the price is a plus, there's a trade-off in performance. We noticed some color fringing around high-contrast areas like twigs and leaf edges, creating a slight glow. In more rigorous long-distance tests, it was also challenging to distinguish bird patterns. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.